But I know that teachers out there are like, I've got a lot of kids, I can't, how can I make this work when I have all these other kids in the classroom? That's always the kind of questions that I get. Like, oh, I get that. That's awesome. That's one child and that child, but how do I do it with all the kids? What do you
I
say to
have
that?
leaders. There are kids that if you have neurodiverse alpha, exceptional leaders in the classroom, that you're going to give the kids a 10-minute project to cut something out. And then these kids are like, and then this alpha happened to see mom when she's gift wrapping and she's like, he's done. Let the kids do it. If you have a kid that needs an extra need, have the other kids step in. I mean, if there's a child that's upset, I don't really get involved with it because I'm not sure if it's attention seeking. I'm not sure if it's really a concern or a need. So I send over one of my kids that's a designated breathing buddy. And they put their hand on the kid's shoulder. And what they do is they stay out full length and they put their hand on the kid's shoulder and they don't say breathe, relax. Because how many times have you been told calm down, breathe, relax? And you're like, oh, you tell me what to do, whatever. So they put their hand on their buddy's shoulder. And then they go, I'm going to breathe with you. And then the kid's just like, the one that's upset looks at them. He don't care. Emotions, endorphins, all that stuff is going. Tears, boogers, snots, everything. And then the breathing buddy's just... And then after 3 or 4 breaths, you'll see the one that was upset start calming down.